For Bob and Diane Dick, a rainy day like this here in Kelowna now has special meaning. They recently returned from a trip to drought-ravaged Kenya.
As most people know, East Africa is quite water stressed. Water is quite a problem in terms of the shortage, and now during the drought, as of the last 5-6 years, it's even more severe.
With the abundance of water here at home, it's hard to imagine just how desperate conditions can be.
Women are the ones that fetch the water, and as a result, during the dry season, they'll walk up to 3-4 hours to get their daily supply.
As volunteers with the Mennonite Central Committee, a faith-based organization that does charitable works around the world, the Dicks were in Africa with a very special project: construction of sand dams.
Well, a sand dam is really a concrete wall that's built across a seasonal stream, and the purpose is to trap sand, gravel, and water. It's a very good way to store the water. The sand filters the water. As a result, things like typhoid and diarrhea-causing bacteria are filtered right out of it. A mature dam, you don't see any water at all. It's simply a lake of sand. These dams will supply people with water, communities up to 9,000 people.
A key component of the MCC projects is local involvement.
They will not be built in a community where the local community does not take ownership and responsibility, because there's so much work required in preparing for these dams. Trenches have to be dug because these dams are anchored to bedrock, and they're of course made of cement, and they don't pour it. It's all done in buckets. It's all mixed by hand, and it's very labor intensive. The benefit to the community is that they take ownership, pride goes with it, and the pleasure of accomplishing it, and they see the tremendous benefits once it's completed. Besides providing the domestic supply of water, they can be used for irrigation as well, particularly getting seedlings and small plants growing. And the diversification of the food supply is just quite staggering, the benefits that accrue because of the dams.
This sand dam is just one of many underway.
It's an ongoing project. Last year, MCC sponsored around 35 dams in Kenya and approximately the same in Mozambique.
For Bob, the trip has inspired him to do more to help those not lucky enough to be blessed with the abundance that fortune has bestowed on Canadians.
Of the 200 nations in the world, 6 possess 50% of the water, and Canada is in that league. We're part of the 6 that have 50% of the fresh water in the world, and that is quite astounding.
Find out more about the range of programs and projects the MCC are involved in. Visit their website, bc.mcc.org. For Shaw TV in Kelowna, I'm Doug Brown.